Do you know that some fruit combinations can actually upset your stomach or even raise your blood sugar instead of giving you energy? But don't worry today, I'll show you which fruit combos you should avoid and the best ones you can eat together for maximum health benefits. Citrus fruits with milk or dairy. Example, orange and milk smoothie. Why bad? The acid in citrus curdles milk, leading to bloating and indigestion. Banana with high sugar fruits, like mango or grapes. Too much sugar load at once can cause spikes in blood sugar and sluggish digestion. Watermelon with other fruits. Watermelon digests very quickly. Mixing it with slower fruits like apples or pears causes gas and discomfort. Papaya with lemon, though both are healthy alone, this mix can create hues and is not recommended in Ayurveda. Sweet fruits with acidic fruits. Example, banana and orange. They digest at different speeds and can cause stomach upset. Best fruit combinations. Apple and banana. Balanced fiber and potassium combo. Great for energy and stable blood sugar. Orange and berries. Both rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Boost immunity and skin health. Papaya and pineapple. Both have digestive enzymes, papain and bromelain. Excellent for digestion and gut health. Watermelon and mint. Fresh, hydrating, and light. Prevents bloating that happens if watermelon is mixed with heavier fruits. Dates and banana, in moderation. Great pre-workout snack. Natural sugars and potassium for energy. So remember, not all fruits are friends when it comes to digestion. Avoid mixing acidic, sweet, and watery fruits together. Instead, stick to simple, compatible pairs for better digestion, more nutrients, and steady energy.